Welcome back to Unscripted Genius. Today's improv exercise is one of my favorites because it looks simple, but it trains your brain like nothing else. It's called Questions Only. Here's the challenge. You can only speak in questions. No statements, no explanations, just questions. Slip up and you're out. Why does this matter in real life? Because asking better questions is the secret to better conversations. Whether you're leading a meeting, learning in a classroom, or just trying to connect with someone you care about. So instead of me just talking about it, let's have some fun. Pixar Jeff, can you jump in and show us how this game works?
Excuse me.
Watch where you're going.
Thanks, Jeff. Hi everyone, I'm Pixar Jeff, and today we're diving into the brain-bending improv game called Questions Only. Here's how it works. Two players step into a scene, but they can only speak in questions. That's it. If you slip and make a statement or pause too long, you're out, and someone else jumps in. Let me show you. Scene suggestion: two people stuck at an airport late at night.
Did you hear they canceled the flight again?
Why would they do that at midnight?
Do you think it's because of the weather or the pilots?
Which would be scarier, thunderstorms or no pilot?
And it keeps rolling until someone breaks the rule. So why play this game? Because it builds three powerful skills. Listening first. You can't plan ahead. You have to truly hear your partner. Creative reframing. Turning every thought into a question forces flexible thinking. Collaborative pressure. Instead of competing, you're co-creating a string of questions that actually make sense. Pro tips for crushing questions only. Keep the rhythm going. Short, snappy questions land best. Don't worry about logic. Sometimes the funniest questions are the wildest ones. And most important, support your partner's idea, even if it's strange, especially if it's strange. Here's the real-life magic. In work, in school, even at home, good questions open doors. They turn arguments into conversations and dead ends into possibilities. So grab a friend, set a timer, and see how long you can keep the chain going. You'll be amazed how fast your brain rewires for curiosity. I'm Pixar Jeff, and now I've got a question for you. What will you discover when you start asking better questions?